GPT4o reasons across voice, text, and vision. And with these incredible efficiencies, it also allows us to bring the GPT-4 class intelligence to our free users.
Will AI take over almost all the jobs in the human realm? It seems the use cases are increasing day by day, and we are laying out the uses for you here. This way, we all can stay updated to the changes at the earliest,
with a notable annotation marking a big rainfall event in late September.
One thing we can be sure of is it's better to upskill rather than deny it altogether. Number 10. Upskilling for the AI revolution. These days, people often say that AI won't steal jobs, but people who use AI will steal jobs from those who don't. If you want to do well, it's important to know how AI affects your job and learn how to use it for your tasks. Smart bosses will help their employees learn about AI by adding AI training to their learning programs. If your boss isn't doing this, don't worry. There are lots of free resources online to learn from. You can get into AI without being a computer whiz. In 2024, there are tons of new jobs you could do. Besides the folks who build AI systems, there are jobs like prompt engineer who tells AI what to do, and AI managers who lead virtual teams. More jobs in AI are popping up, like project managers, trainers, and ethicists. But if you're a tech person, don't worry, there are still lots of new jobs for you, like AI engineering and DevOps. Number 9. AI legislation. Lawmakers have always struggled to keep up with technology, but now they're starting to pay attention because AI is really shaking things up. China has laws against making deepfakes without permission. Other places like EU, US, and India are also making rules about this. The UK might have a new law in 2024, and the EU might have one in 2025. The new laws will try to find a middle ground between keeping people safe from AI messing up their jobs and privacy and letting new ideas and business happen. Number 8. Quantum AI. You might not notice it right away, but quantum computing is getting more attention. It can really speed up certain tricky calculations that AI needs. Instead of regular computers' bits that are just 1 or 0, quantum bits can be both at the same time. Here's why quantum computing is an awesome thing. It's way better than regular computers at solving tough problems like finding the best mix of lots of stuff. In 2024, we'll probably see more ways to use quantum computing to make even bigger and fancier AI programs. Number 7. AI in commerce. AI helps make recommendation engines that help you connect better with your customers. These suggestions are based on what they looked at before and what they like. It's a great way to strengthen your bond with customers and make them stick with your brand. Online shopping just got better with virtual shopping helpers and chatbots. They make the shopping experience feel more personal by talking to you like a real person, and they can chat with you right away. And guess what? Soon you might be chatting with chatbots for customer service on Amazon. Number 6. Fraud prevention. E-commerce companies have big problems with credit card fraud and fake reviews, but the best thing is AI can help out. It looks at how people use their cards to spot fraud and can also find and deal with fake reviews. So you can shop online more safely and trust those reviews more. Number 5. AI in education sector. Even though humans mostly run the education sector, AI is starting to make its way in too. It's helping teachers to be more productive by taking care of some office tasks. AI can help teachers with the tasks like sending personalized messages to students, grading papers, organizing parent meetings, giving feedback, handling enrollment, courses, and HR stuff. We can use AI to turn stuff like video lectures and textbook into digital content. Then we can customize it for different grades with things like animations to make learning more fun. AI makes learning more interesting by making audio and video summaries and lesson plans. This saves money on printing handbooks and gives quick answers to common questions. With really good AI, we can track students' data like their habits and study plans. Then we can make personalized stuff for them, like reminders, study guides, and flashcards easy. Number 4. AI in lifestyle. When we talk about in lifestyle, what's the one thing that comes to your mind? For us, it's Tesla. Car companies like Toyota, Audi, Volvo, and Tesla use machine learning to teach computers to drive like humans and spot things on the road to prevent accidents. Another juicy bit is using AI in preventing spam. The email we use every day has an AI that sorts out spam emails, so we only see the important stuff. Gmail, a popular email service, is really good at filtering spam. It catches about 99.9% of it. Another thing would be the face recognition area. Our phones, laptops, and computers use facial recognition to keep our stuff safe. It scans our faces to let us in securely. Besides personal use, lots of industries use facial recognition for security too. It would come handy in recommendation systems as well. They'll look at what we do online to suggest things we might like. It's a super common way AI is used in different industries. Number 3. AI in navigation. Can AI really help us with navigation, as in like guiding you to go somewhere? To be straight, that's what Google Maps has been doing so far. According to MIT research, GPS can give us really good info to stay safe on the road. It uses a mix of fancy AI networks to figure out stuff like how many lanes a road has, even if there's stuff blocking the view. Companies like Uber and delivery services use AI a lot to work better, check traffic, and find the best routes. The Kalman filter has been a go-to for navigation and guidance since the 1960s. But lately, artificial neural networks have been shaking things up. These ANNs can learn from data and improve over time, which makes them really handy for inertial navigation tasks. ANNs have two main phases. First, they're taught a set of rules to learn from the data and recognize patterns. Then they make corrections based on the data to get the desired results. It's good at handling sensor data with variable time gaps between events. Also, it has 3 types of memory: long-term memory in the lab, short-term learning in the field, and deep learning every minute. Advanced Navigation has been working hard to develop their ANN-based navigation systems. But now this system offers high performance with low power consumption, making them competitive in the market. Number 2. Military and defense. AI is changing the game in military and defense. It helps by giving better awareness of what's going on and making security and warfare more efficient. AI lets drones fly on their own, find their way, and do missions without a pilot. These drones can scout, watch over things, and hit targets more accurately, all while keeping human operators safer. AI helps ground vehicles do their jobs like watching, finding info, and moving stuff around. They can handle tough landscapes and do tasks without a person controlling them directly. AI helps the military by recognizing images, finding objects, and analyzing signals to give them useful info for making decisions. It also spots patterns and trends in big sets of data, which helps find possible threats or unusual stuff that could be risky. Number 1. Logistics and transportation. AI is changing how stuff gets moved around, from finding the best routes to fixing things before they break. In delivery, AI helps figure out the quickest way to get packages to people's doors, thinking about things like package size and when folks want their stuff. This makes deliveries faster and cheaper. AI keeps an eye on vehicles and gear all the time, checking data from sensors to see when they need fixing. This helps cut down on downtime, makes things last longer, and saves money on repairs. AI keeps an eye on vehicles and gear all the time, checking sensor data to see when they need fixing. This helps avoid delays, makes things last longer, and saves money on repairs. AI and blockchain work together to make supply chains easy to use and understand. They help track where things are, check if they're real, and make sure everything in the supply chain is okay. So what do you think about the AI boom? Should we be concerned or get prepared for the change? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, see you all.